Okay, nagmamadali na rin tayo ngayon, mga kapatid. Okay, let's go. Alright. So we're going now to the airplane and we will head home to the Philippines. Thank you, Japan. Ganyan ulit. So, nagbo-boarding na rin tayo. Medyo mahaba-haba ang flight. Mahaba-haba ko. So it's now boarding. Let's go. J3, okay. 3. Right. Yes. Sorry, nahirapan ako ng konti, but yeah. We're now boarding to Manila. So baka maiwanan tayo no, pag if ever na matumanta the plane. Oh my God. Ilang yan? Huwag na ng flight. Sana tayo sa arrivals. We go to the arrival. The arrival. Alright. Sa gate 3. Gate 3 tayo.
Hotel pa tayo.
1 to 14. So we're gonna take shuttle, I guess, because it's still at the other wing. Sana makabalik ulit tayo. I'll see you again soon. Gate 3. Go! Go na, magkakulong na. Bilis! Faster. Faster po. Sino tayo? Too far. 3. So our gate is too far from the... We'll have to take the train to...
Nasaan na pa yung boarding nyo? Hindi nyo binabasa? Tama naman, no? 3. Gate 3. Tama, diba? Grade 3. Kala ko ba, sabi mo 2. 15 ang alis.
Sobrang tagal natin dun sa pagbili.
We miss Japan.
29 pala yung seat nyo.
Kayo, magkakabit.
29 iya, yung isa nyo. Ano yung isa mo? 19, ano?
19.
Ano?
Kayo ba nandun kayo sa area 19?
19 tsaka 20.
Hindi kami lalayo.
Alright.
フィリピンエアチャーよりお客様ご案内申し上げます。フィリピンエアチャー Z21819 マニラご出発のご利用のすべてのお客様にご案内しでございます。ご搭乗際はパスポートと搭乗券をお持ちの上3番ゲートまでお越しください。Thank you for waiting at Jack's flight. Z21A9 bound for Manila. All passengers on this flight please come to boarding gate 3 in Italy. Thank you.
Okay. I think I shall stop. Okay. Go. Uwi na kami. I'm gonna go back home. Flight now.
How many passengers are you?
Two.
But I see you have two more swings around back here. One
But that's for them. Because we're together. Okay, for them. Okay, for them.
Alright.
Thank you. I'm so sorry.
Your
So,
family.
Ma'am Christina
Yeah.
and Mr. Davy. Okay. So you have to put this on inside here too. Please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hi. I
And you too.
got
Thank you.
I have special needs.
これ。
Passport.
ありがとうございます。
Thank you.
どうぞ。
Okay. Arigato. Kasama. Okay. So, I will miss you. Sana makabalik ulit. Thank you so much, Japan. That concludes our Japan trip memorable. Kasi nag-Universal na tayo and Dotonbori. So, for now, bye for now, and we're going back to motherland or to the Philippines, going home to our country. We'll take Air Asia or still saying goodbye to the view.
After nilalako namin yung nagbigay kami ng documents sa
Thank you, Japan.
Taiwanese star is saan na nakikita ang vision. Welcome aboard! Ay, get inside engineer. Excuse me po. Good afternoon, welcome aboard.
Welcome aboard to AirAsia.
Hello, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! We enjoyed Japan.
Really?
Now going back to the Philippines. Goodbye. Going to the back. This is hair.
Hindi ko alam kasi wala na ako doon.
Daming nagre-reklamo na wala daw bayad yung aral. Madami nag-report sa kanila.
Okay, so I will end the video for now, and our next video will be us when we take off. We'll be take off and landing to Manila, the Naiya Terminal 3. No. So thank you, Japan, for the memories. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.